the moment you all been waiting for, I am going to start up the air conditioner and shut it down. So, hang on, let me just get it to a... There. There we go. Now I'm going to go fire it up and get it going. And that is the unit starting up. This is a Goodman, and the reason why I'm doing this now is because this is the last day I'm going to use this air conditioner, because November is coming up and today is the 28th of October, so I'm doing this now while I can. Even though, yeah, it's been a while. Here's the Goodman logo. Disconnect. You can actually see some of the compressor. Well, no, you can't see it, but it feels like it's vibrating or something. But it feels weird when it does that too. Should be able to get the manufacturer date. I can't really see it, guys, so I'm doing everything I can to get this in a better shot for you guys, so you guys can take a better look at it. This is a straight coal unit. This is with the gas furnace. Maybe if I zoom in here, it should give you guys a better... There we go. Might not be able to give it to you. Got the Coleman skull compressor. There's the other sticker. This is... disconnect box is right there. Really good unit. We had it since, well, this unit was installed here in 2006 when the house was done being built. We just moved in here in November of last year, and this summer this unit's not been having any problems. The only time that we actually had a problem was when the air handler in the attic, well, yeah, air handler or furnace, the furnace was, the blower motor was, when it started up, the sheet metal was expanding and it made a boom sound, and we had to call a tech on that to get it fixed, and not bad. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a shutdown video now. That's the Goodman. Let me just set it back down. Get it back to its position. Move this a bit closer where that way I can There we go. There we go. All right. Exitome. This is a yeah, I think it's I think that's his name. Exitome. This is a tribute to your Goodman startup and shutdown video. So I'll be right back, guys. Yep, there you go, guys. Yeah, if you guys couldn't hear me, what I said was the guy that was when my uncle was actually here. I'll tell you the story here for a minute. When my uncle was here, he was checking out the air conditioner to make sure it was working properly. But he's not a tech though. But he was checking the bottom and down here. Where you can feel it, where it blows freaking ice cubes. Well, you can sort of say that, yeah. Where it was blowing cold, and he said that there was probably a leak somewhere around here, and we called the tech and checked the furnace because the sheet metal was pretty. I think the sheet metal was like expanding, whatever, and air conditioner, and this is a 13 SEER. Yeah, this is a 13 SEER, cooling only. This is a Goodman. Let me see. Yeah, I can't really get down there in my head. I can't see very well, guys. I apologize. But here I can give you guys. Should be able to give you guys the manufacturing date and all that crap. If my camera can focus it, then that will be nice. This camera is a fucking cheap. I hate this camera. It's a camcorder. It's a Insignia. I bought this camcorder at Best Buy for $75. It's a piece of junk. I don't even know why I even bought it, the damn thing, in the first place. Well, I was buying a DVD at the time, but yeah. Here's the Goodman logo again. This is I believe a 2006 model or 2005, who knows. This is a straight cold unit only. We have a Goodman gas furnace. Well, I use it every night pretty much. This is the last time I'm going to use the air conditioner unless we really need to use it again. It depends on if it gets too hot in the house or if it gets too cold. But this is a really good unit. I like Goodman. They're a good company. You know, I hear that people say that Goodman's a piece of shit, but I beg to differ with them. They're a bunch of punks because they don't realize how good Goodmans are. I mean, yeah, sure, Carriers and Brews are awesome. You know, they're badass systems. You know, but to me, Goodman is just my all-time favorite so far right now because this Goodman right here is just working great. We never had a problem with it except for a little leak which the tech fixed, and to me, it's just awesome. All right, guys, let's go in. Take one last look, and we'll take one look at the thermostat. Well, no, actually, I'm gonna end it right here, guys. You know, yeah. Let me do that now, really quick. Well, let me just end it right here where the Goodman's at. Yeah, guys, that's my Goodman air conditioner. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.